Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our Monday. I only like Mondays now because Sunday is gone and we get packages. So let's look at a few. Alright, let's see what we got. It's like War Gods 64. If I remember right, it doesn't have a Manny, so I got a pretty good deal on it. Yep, no Manny. Busted back, but overall not bad. Good thing is I already got a Manny on the way, so that'll be a CIB soon. Good stuff comes in little packages, I'm told. Hopefully that's the case. Alright. It's like some loose GameCube. Need for Speed Underground 2. Hot Pursuit 2, yeah. Yo, Adrian! Some Rocky action. Super Monkey Ball. Freedom Fighters. Is that NFL Street? And Mia's personal favorite, the Powerpuff Girls. I believe we have 2 boxes and Manny's for these, so they'll be CIB. Alright, let's see which ones we got. Is it Underground 2? Oh yeah. Welcome home. CIB. And the other one, not Powerpuff. Oh yeah, Freedom Fighters, that is it. Yeah, when we see cheap cases, we usually pick them up because this is half of the fun, is like completing these games that lost their counterparts. Let's see, there she is. And I think I will change that out right now, honestly. That's not a GameCube case, and I want that thing to be legit. Let's see, we'll do courtside. Sorry, Kobe. Disc in. Manny in. Artwork in. And 2 CIBs. Alright, next up. I'm flying. Dang! What do we got? What do we got? Alright. Oh yeah, sometimes we buy stuff for ourselves too. Alright, what do we got here? Some more stuff for us? Probably not, but maybe. Every day almost feels like Christmas when you're a reseller. It's cool. Oh yeah, I remember this one. Def Jam Fight for New York. So, this one, we're taking a leap of faith on. Didn't look that bad when I bought it, but hopefully we can buff that out. And if I recall correctly, sold as is, untested. I think we got it for under $5, so that's a score. I like boxes like these because I can reuse them like immediately. Got a couple games in this one. Tasmania Game Gear. Everybody loves some Taz. Got the Wooden Water Rage. That's a classic. And Caveman games. Got really good deals on all of those as well. And thank you, the Zon. Packing labels, a necessity. And the last one for today. Let's see what this is. Lots of bubble wrap, I like that. It's like my grandma wrapped this. Shoot. See what we got. Oh, nice. That's a little nice touch so they don't scratch one another. Got the Sonic, not for resale variant. This is the one that's worth quite a bit, and this thing is minty. And whenever I see this game, I have to get it, just because my childhood won't let me pass it up. Some Animaniacs. Hello, nurse. All right, now that we got packing out of the way, let's test these bad boys. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see if she works. Oh, that's not looking good.